Now let's look at the solution for the seventh problem. The question is y is equal to square root of e power of square root of x. So before we proceed with this problem, the concept you are supposed to know is d by dx of square root of a function is 1 by 2 root of x. This can be remembered as a formula. So how did we derive this? It is very simple. Root x can be written as x power half. You know the formula for x power n. It is n into x power n minus 1. So when you apply this formula, then the result is going to be 1 by 2 into x power minus half, that is 1 by 2 into square root of x. So applying the same logic here, dy by dx will be equal to anything under a square root is 1 by 2 root of the value inside the square root into d by dx of the value inside the square root, that is e power root x. So dy by dx will be equal to 1 by 2 root of e power of root x into derivative of e power root x is e power root x into the derivative of root x. So dy by dx will be equal to e power root x divided by 2 into square root of e power of root x into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now we know the concept, if you have x divided by root x, the answer is going to be root x, because x can be written as root x into root x divided by root x is already there, this and this will get cancelled, hence it will be root x. So using the same logic, what we can do here is this and this will get cancelled square root number of times. So dy by dx in this case will be square root of e power of root x, and in the denominator 2 and 2 will get multiplied, it will be 4 into root x is already there. So this will be the required answer. Similarly, if we do the eighth problem, so the eighth problem is y is equal to log of log x. This is a very simple one. Dy by dx will be equal to derivative of log is 1 by the function inside log x into d by dx of the function that is present inside the log, that is log x. So dy by dx will be equal to 1 by log x into derivative of log x will be 1 by x. Hence the required answer dy by dx will be 1 by x log x. Similarly, the ninth problem is y is equal to cos x divided by log x. So here what we'll do is we'll apply the quotient rule. So dy by dx will be equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into the derivative of denominator whole divided by the denominator square, that is log x square. So this will be equal to log x into derivative of cos x will be minus sin x minus cos x into derivative of log x will be 1 by x whole divided by log x the whole square. So when we simplify this, when we take LCM, the x gets multiplied, so it will be x, and I am taking the minus sign outside, x into sin x multiplied with log x minus cos x whole divided by the x comes to the denominator, it will be x log x the whole square. Hence the required answer will be minus of x sin x log x plus cos x whole divided by x log x the whole square.